You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Most companies think the relocation experience begins when the shipment is packed. In reality, it starts much earlier with communication, planning, and expectation setting. Today, we're talking about something that matters to every HR leader, recruiter, mobility manager, and corporate relocation partner: employee experience. When companies think about relocation, they often focus on policies, timelines, and budget. Those are important, but the employee does not experience the move as a spreadsheet. They experience it as a major life event. That means the relocation experience starts long before packing day. It starts with the first conversation. Is the employee being guided carefully and clearly? Do they understand what happens first, what decisions they need to make, and who is supporting them? It continues with planning. Does the shipment timeline align with the employee's actual arrival needs? Is there clarity around what should ship now, what can wait, and what kind of support is available if housing is not finalized? And it becomes even more important when the employee is relocating with a family. At that point, the move is not just about goods in transit. It's about routines, stabilities, and peace of mind. This is where a relocation partner can make a huge difference. A well-managed move reduces confusion, creates confidence, and helps the employee stay focused on the opportunity ahead rather than the logistics behind them. For employers, that matters. A smoother moving experience helps employees arrive more settled, more prepared, and more ready to engage in the new assignment. So, if you want a better relocation experience, don't start by asking when the shipment can be picked up. Start by asking how the employee will be guided from day one. The relocation experience starts with clarity, not cartons. If your company wants to create a smoother international move experience for employees and their families, call 877-339-0267 or visit our website at sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.